This is code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Principles course. I'm on Unit 3 Intro to Programming, Lesson 9, Looping and Random Numbers, Part 8, Top-Down Design. Look at this complex version of the under the sea scene you drew in the previous lesson. You now have all the skills you need to recreate this digital scene. Ooh, fancy. We will use top-down design to help manage the complexity of drawing this image. The starter code you will be provided already has broken the problem into multiple levels. Okay? Overview of program structure. You are about to see that we've provided you with a good amount of starting code. Here's a brief tour. Ooh, a tour. High-level function calls. These read almost like sort of how you draw the image. There's one function for every major component. Background sea, draw all seagrass, draw all sea stars, draw all fish, which I would assume means there's also function calls in draw all fish for draw fish. Interesting. High-level functions definitions. These currently draw a single copy of each component. You will add code to these functions to draw many copies for each component in a variety of sizes and colors. Ooh, like we were just doing. Low-level function calls. These draw single elements of the scene. Most have been written for you already, but we've left a few for you to complete as well. Alright, so the high-level calls are calls that are calling other functions, and the low-level calls are kind of doing the grunt work of drawing individual lines. Do this. Review the structure of the code of this level. Run the code to familiarize yourself with what it currently draws when you're ready to move on. Okay, cool. So a bunch of code, what's it do? Oh. Yeah, we're definitely going to add a whole bunch of loops to this. But I'm excited to have a scene like they do. Awesome, let's keep going.